Hello chickies, welcome back for another video. Today I thought we would do an unboxing and try on style of the November Boxycharm. If you guys aren't aware of Boxycharm, it's basically a $21 a month monthly subscription. Inside you're guaranteed 5 full-size items. So in case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the Chickie crew. Don't forget I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. This month's box is called Gold Digger. These are from the brand Luxy. They're premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. I absolutely love Luxy Brushes. This is the Luxy Luminous Eye Set, which retails for $21. Good variety of brushes in here, which I think is great. We're going to test this out. From the brand Ace Beauty, and this includes 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. This retails for $24.95. Take this cream colored matte shadow called Patchouli Luxy Mini Angled Brush. Lay right on top of the eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow primer is starting to crease a bit and we definitely do not want that. Shadow right here called Clove, and we're going to start with this as the transition. Ooh, that is pigmented. Shade right here called Cinnamon, which is also a matte brown, right in between the transition shade, just to darken it up a bit. Fluffy brush and just blend this out. Bodyography Pro, or Bodyography, it's the makeup brush cleaner. This is 2 fluid ounces. Cleaning and disinfecting your brushes has never been easier. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. I'm wondering if we can use to spot clean. I really want to give this a try. Ooh. Took off all the excess shadow on the brush and it is dry already. So I think we're gonna go in with a shadow called Poppy, and we're gonna place this right onto the outer third of the eye. Take this shade called Myrtle, 141 mini round. It's so tiny. The writing on this is super tiny that I can't even see it. Pop this right onto the center of the lid. Wow, these are really pigmented. Back with the Bodyography cleaner. The brush that contained a bit of Poppy, that maroon shade, and I'm just gonna fade it in a tad bit, just so that it gradiates, and then I'm gonna drag it in just a little bit. Primrose. This one is definitely calling me. This empty space right on the lid. This brush again with the maroon called Poppy, and I'm just gonna drag this farther in. I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Luxy Mini Flat Angle Brush, a bit of Jasmine, this shade right here, and we're going to pop this right onto the inner eye corners. Ooh, that is very pretty. A shade called Rose, because that is the only one I haven't used in this palette, and we're just going to hit this right along the lower lash line. Completely forgot to do this before I applied mascara. So we're going to try the next item from our Boxycharm. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. This is absolutely beautiful. Ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that works. I'm going to hit this right onto the high points of the cheeks. A damp sponge. It is beaming, but it's beaming a little bit too much. Let me just go over it with some powder because it's just too much for me. So this is the look I ended up curating using the items from the November Boxycharm. The only item I didn't use are the tweezers. This is from the brand Farrah's Beauty, which I'm going to read a little bit about. It's actually a dual-ended tweezer. One side has the flat angled edge, and then the other side has like a pointy edge on the other. Retails for $12, but I just kind of figured I could pass this along to somebody else. Really quick recap with all of the items. Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. I gotta say, you guys, I really like the shadows. I like the pigmentation. Love the way how these shadows blended out. Applied beautifully with the Luxy brushes. I wish they included was a mirror. Feel like they, you know, this space right here would have been so much more helpful if there was a mirror, but other than that, the shadows in this palette were absolutely beautiful. Set of Luxy brushes. I used each and every one of these, and I had no problem using these brushes. I like how small they are because this is great for like detail work. I also like using this angled brush to kind of snatch the nose, contour the nose a bit. The handles on these, they are pretty, but I mean, to be quite honest, I like the pink handles of the Luxy brushes. The Bodyography makeup brush cleaner. I like how I was able to spot clean the brushes, and because you don't really saturate the whole entire brush, so it dries really quickly, you're able to kind of switch out your eyeshadows. And last but not least in the box is the Cover FX glitter drops. This is in the shade Nova. You just want to make sure you go very light-handed with this, because if you apply too much, you definitely get like that really beaming highlight. I like the way how it looks when you apply it with your finger and then blend it out that way. I wouldn't suggest, at least for me, I tried using a sponge to blend it out, but that kind of just pressed the product into the skin and left like little circle dots, which I wasn't really fond of. I also placed it on my décolleté, but I forgot that these were glitter drops. So when I spread it out, it definitely, you can see chunks of glitter, which I'm not too fond of, especially when applying it right here in the décolleté area. I want it to be a little bit more finely milled where it has like a sheen. All in all, you guys, this month's BOXYCHARM, I would have to say I love the items in this month's box, and I know I'm going to be using these items throughout the month and will get a lot of use out of them. So what did you guys receive in your BOXYCHARM? Did we receive the same items, or did we receive completely different things? I would love to know. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for a brand new video. Mwah.